Experience the compactness and power of the Panasonic AV-HSW10 live switcher, a standout in high-quality streaming capabilities. The AV-HSW10 meets the increasing demand for a compact, rugged switcher that bridges the gap between IP and baseband workflows. It supports widely used broadcasting protocols and features IP I/Os as well as baseband inputs and outputs. And what makes it even more user-friendly is its intuitive on-screen display, user-friendly buttons, and a T-shaped fader that ensures ease of use. This makes it an ideal choice for professional online lectures, sports, and other live events. The AV-HSW10 comes with diverse interfaces to suit a wide range of needs. It provides you with 4 3G SDI and 2 HDMI inputs, which output to 2 3G SDI and 1 HDMI port for local video distribution. It also supports audio input, enabling switching between video and audio with a single unit. In addition to 3G SDI and HDMI, the AV-HSW10 supports NDI as well as SRT and many other IP transmission standards to suit contemporary video production needs. The AV-HSW10 supports RTMP for direct uploading to your favorite streaming services and USB output for compatibility with web conferencing services such as Teams and Zoom. Despite its compact size, the AV-HSW10 produces broadcast quality video with 10-bit processing. The multi-viewer comes with 10 selectable patterns, providing you with the flexibility to monitor your feeds in a way that best suits your workflow. In this interface, you can adjust your 2 key layers for things like picture-in-picture, linear key, chroma key, and NDI signal with alpha channel. It's intuitive and easy to use for a one-person remote production, especially with advanced features like the auto color adjustment function, which automatically adjusts the color tone of videos captured from multiple cameras to match the color tone of the selected camera. Discover the power of the Panasonic AV-HSW10 live switcher for your high-quality streaming needs. Visit Videoguys.com to learn more and make it a part of your production toolkit today.